you guys all of my tips and tricks on how you can achieve a dewy makeup look that has been like widely requested for quite some time now. I am not a huge fan of super like dewy moisturizing makeup looks, but I have been a fan of this combination for a while, so I decided to film a video and share it with you guys. Before we get started, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. I've been working super hard uploading literally every week for you guys, and so excited to see where this channel goes and to grow with you guys. So become part of my jam fam by hitting that subscribe button down below if you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so to start out this video, I don't know what's going on with my hair this morning, you guys. It has been so bad. I'm literally just gonna clip it up and I'll figure out what to do with it later. Literally going to start with covering up all of these acne marks. I just have no clue like what's been going on with my skin lately. It has been so bad, you guys. When I tell you, like, my skin has not been this bad since like literally the 4th and 5th grade. It's been awful. So one of the Luminous serums that I've been using for this dewy makeup look, I have been using this, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Hanhu. It's an overnight serum, but I use it as a moisturizer before my foundation. So I've just been going in with a little pea-sized amount of this, using this as a primer. And it dries down really nice and it smells like watermelons, so I think that's also like why I really love it. Just has such a good smell where I can just put something on my face and it doesn't just strike me as like a fragrance, like woof, like, you know, it's like a light, you know, aroma. So now I'm just gonna be going in with my Becca Aqualuminous foundation. You guys have seen this so much on my channel, but I do love this foundation and I am trying to get this out of my collection because it's just so old. Like, this bottle has taken me literally forever to get through, and I want to be done. Like, I just want to get, you know, new foundations and stuff like that. So literally, like, I just want to use this up and say goodbye because there's so many new makeup products that I just need to make room for in my collection. And I am pretty white right now and this is a bit yellow, but it's okay because bronzer makes everything better and I promise it won't look bad in the end. So if you just clicked on this video, welcome to my channel. You will see a lot of makeup tutorials on this channel, lifestyle videos, vlogs, drive with me's, and I'm in cosmetology school. So I'm going to start implementing a lot of the hair industry into my YouTube channel, which I know a lot of people are excited about. It just all has to happen at the right moment, and right now I'm in school, but I'm going to try to film my journey and everything with you guys so you can see everything as it happens. Oh, you guys, oh my gosh, it's so exciting. My eyebrow is finally growing back. Like, I don't know if you can see, it's finally starting to like get some hair in it, and I'm so excited about it because it's just been literally such a struggle trying to get this eyebrow to grow back. If you guys were with me for the video when I literally took half of the chunk off, if you have not seen the video, it's the shower routine that I filmed, and literally I just left it on camera because I was like, well shit, like this happens. So yeah, I cut half of my eyebrow off, so go check out that video. But for the next step, I go in with just a beauty blender. You can go in with any beauty blender that you want to go in with. This is the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set, and you can take any like face spray, any makeup setter, anything that you want, makeup setting spray, you can take anything. You could literally use the Morphe setting spray because I feel like the Morphe setting spray is just so much aerosol. Not that that's a bad thing, but I feel like, you know, actual sprays work better for this one. So then I'm literally gonna spray a few squirts of this on my face, and then also spray my beauty blender. I'm just gonna go in and blend that out, and I will fast forward some things so you guys don't have to watch the whole thing.
Morning, baby. I was making sure you was up.
Yes, I'm up.
My stomach is still upset this morning.
Really?
Me too, baby.
Did you get your lunch and everything?
Shit. I'll let you finish your makeup.
Alright, I love you. I'm also filming. It's okay though. Once everything is blended out, and you'll notice like it already looks very, very dewy. It doesn't look, you know, you can see my freckles through it, and that's okay. It's not supposed to be like a super like full coverage look. I want it to look more dewy and natural. So then for concealer, I'm just gonna go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This has been in my collection for quite a long time as well, and I am trying to use this up also. I have had like the worst like redness and like bags underneath my eyes. Like, I don't know. I've been sleeping, like, I don't know why my bags and stuff have gotten worse. It's really like weird. So yeah, I just applied my concealer as I normally would. You're gonna go in with that same beauty blender and just pounce and blend this out. And you guys will see with that setting spray, it literally blends out so nicely. You don't have to, you know, push the product around and like feel like it takes forever to blend out. It's literally like a few, you know, pounces on your skin and it's all blended out. So this has been like one of my favorite things to do with my makeup as of recently, and I still go for like a super, ooh, that scared me. I still go for like a super full coverage face like 98% of the time, but lately my skin has just been so bad, and it's so hot like in our classroom. It's not hot, like it's hot and cold, and it's just like there's never like a happy medium in the salon, and like I just feel like throughout the day the oils and stuff underneath my makeup just sit on my face, and I don't even know, like I just feel like there's so much dirt and oil and stuff on my face at the end of the day that like it just creates so much more acne than like what I'm used to. So I'm trying to be a little lighter with my makeup, because you guys know like homegirl loves a full face of makeup. Like, I've always been that way, and that probably will not change at all. And to set everything, I'm going to be going in with the oldie but a goodie. This is the MAC Studio Fix powder. This is the powder version. A lot of people get this one mixed up with the creamy version, and they do look very similar. And I'm in the shade C4, you guys. I know this is super dirty and embarrassing, but that's the real deal when it's in the makeup drawer. And you guys did see this in my project pan. So I'm just gonna take a huge Morphe brush. This is, I don't believe this has a number. This is from the Sculpt and Define set from Morphe, and I'm just going to get a little bit of powder and put this in my targeted areas, which is like my T-zone and honestly my lip area. Like, I get the worst creasing right here, and then I'm just gonna kind of dust it over my forehead, and that's what we're going to just set that down. And you see, like, it still looks pretty dewy, but it's a little matte, but it's pretty much dewy. It doesn't look cakey. I've been loving this bronzer combo lately. This is the Sunset Duos blush and bronzer. I don't really go for this blush that's in this because it's kind of too orange for me, and I don't like orange blushes. Like, I just don't really like the way they look on my skin. So this is in the shade 04, and this is their Sunset Duo. This is actually a very old product, you guys. I don't know if this is still available in the store. I literally just opened this like a few days ago, and I'm just trying to like use this up. I'm just gonna be taking a Sigma Small Contour F05 brush, and I'm going to dip into this and kind of just dust this on my face. I'm not doing a really, you know, harsh contour today, more like just some bronzer. And I just run this over my temple area and then bring it over the forehead. And then with the nose, I just dust it over and then kind of just take the excess and, you know, blend it out. And then a little bit under my lip just to enhance. For blush, I'm just be going in with the Pixie Peach Parfait blush, and this one is more of like, has like kind of like a shimmer to it, but I love this blush so much. It's so pink and I just love it, but it looks so beautiful on the skin. And this one is so nice to like build up. You don't have to just like put one, you know, pow like of blush, and it's just like super harsh like looking. It's super like mellow and just you can build it up, and I love that. Then for highlighter today, I'm gonna be taking the Becca Opal. You guys know, like, this is my tried and true. This is probably one of the very first. This one in Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill was like my first highlighter to ever like fall in love with, and I just love how dewy this highlighter is. It doesn't look chalky on the skin, and lately like I've just been liking a little less, you know, of everything than I'm used to, and I've literally just been trying to be a little more minimalistic like with my makeup and stuff, just because, you know, it is expensive and I need to use up what I have before I just, you know, buy. And like, I talked to my cousin Cami, and if you guys don't know her, she's here on YouTube, Cami Carter. She has like 133K on YouTube. Like, she's absolutely amazing. And she came home, she came to my hometown, or she came to our hometown actually, and I saw her and we talked, and she's just so sweet, you guys. I will leave her channel link down below, but I just love her. She's so inspiring, and she's always inspired me to be like the best version of myself and not give a crap what anybody else thinks. And she's honestly the one that like inspired me to get into YouTube. So I owe like all my thanks and like success to her, because if it wasn't for her telling me like, just go for it, like, you know, you want to do it, like, you know, stop just thinking negative about it. Because for the longest time, by the way, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown, pretty much what you guys always see me use. And I told her like I was feeling so negative about YouTube, like for the longest time. Like, I was getting so many negative comments and nobody was like thumbing up my video. I just got so many thumbs down, and it was so degrading that I just felt like I wasn't good enough. And I told her that, like, I was like, I'm just not seeing the growth that like I see in your channel. And she's always there to like help me and tell me like it's gonna be okay and like you'll get there. And I just love her so much, you guys. So she's actually having a baby, and I'm so excited. I just want to see baby Grace so bad, but I'm just really happy for her, and I was so excited that I got to see her. I'll insert a picture because I was so excited that I was able to go over to her mom's house and just, you know, visit with them. We watched The Bachelor, and you guys, I cannot believe Kelsey went home. Like, what? Like, it was such, I mean, I saw it coming obviously, but like I could not believe that, like, after everything Peter said to her and then she literally went home. Like, I just can't believe it. I wanted the other girl, Victoria, to go home. Like, she's such a crybaby, and I wanted her to go home. And yeah, if you guys are Victoria fans from The Bachelor, I'm sorry. She whines about everything, and like, I understand being emotional, but she just takes it to another level. Like, it's just kind of irritating. Like, she whines and tries to get her way so much that I honestly can't stand it. Yeah, I don't really do a whole lot with my brows lately. Just run the dip brow through them, and you guys know they're microbladed, so it really doesn't take that long. And then I just put some eyeshadow through it. You know what, I am gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna dip into a palette that I haven't really shown a lot of love to lately. This is the Big Moisture palette from Lancome. This is so beautiful, you guys, in the shape of a heart, literally. And it has so many beautiful shades. You guys, like, I dropped it and literally the top just busted off, and the hinges to where it connects, they're done. Like, it's done. So this is what the palette looks like, and it just has some really, I want to say this was a Valentine's Day special and it was on sale, but I'm not positive. But yeah, whenever I dropped it, I did bust a little bit of this shade out, because you guys can see this is not that used at all. And then I did bust a little bit of this shade out as well. On the screen if you guys want to buy this palette, because it is really nice and it has some really beautiful warm tones and peachier tones. But yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure this was on sale for Valentine's Day, like very discounted, and I picked it up. I'm not really sure. And I know Valentine's Day was literally just like a week ago, I think. So yeah, I just went in with this shade right here, and now I'm just gonna be going in with a little bit of this, and we're gonna focus this on the outer portion of my eye. This shade is so beautiful, you guys. It blends out really nicely. And if you just want to use like 2 shades for your eye look, like pretty much what I'm doing today, you just kind of pop it on, and you know, it doesn't take hours and hours and hours to do your makeup, which it never takes me hours and hours to do my makeup. I literally don't have that much time in my life. But yeah, for something just pretty simple and, you know, warm, it makes a really nice look. And then I'm gonna be going in with this shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to pop this on my lid.